Barca, CEO of Mintbuilder here, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit about the promotion that's going on right now. Very excited. This is probably one of the biggest promotions we've ever ran here at Mintbuilder, and it's going to help a lot of people get on the right wealth track to start preserving wealth, to start building wealth, new income streams, and it is free to get started. This is something that allows somebody to come into the business for the first time and to be able to have a full 30 days to start building their business using this promo while receiving free silver before anything ever comes due. And then when the next membership does come due, it's only $37 a month, and you're getting a lot of access to a lot of things that I'm going to talk about here. So as you can see, here would be the website. We made it very simple. We put this promotional basically banner right here on the front to get started. So you can come in here right away, or you can send your prospects if you're already active to this spot, and they can click get started. It's going to take them right to the member platform. As you can see, it's normally $37 a month. You're getting the first month free, and now we're including in this a 1/10 ounce of silver for free, not just when you join, every single month. We're going to send this to you, and we're not charging for shipping. So you're going to receive the silver free, receive free silver, and this access everything. So just like all the other subscriptions, you're going to be able to get all of the connections to everything you see here. So again, you're going to receive free monthly silver, 99.9% pure 1/10 ounce round or bar, or even sometimes it may even be a coin, which means it's government minted. But it's going to be a 1/10 ounce of pure silver. You're going to have access to the wholesale shop. That means you're getting unbeatable pricing, not just on bullion, which is by far one of the most popular things, but also collectible coins and jewelry. Everything is in the shop. You're getting unbeatable prices. You're getting full access to that right out of the gate without spending one penny. You're going to have full access to all of this stuff, and you're going to get a 1/10 ounce of pure silver sent to you for free. You're also going to have access to our income platform for those of you who want to build the business side of Mint Builder. There's a lot of stuff that comes with the income platform. You'll see as you join with Mint Builder if you're not already active here. And also you're gonna see through here all the different platform benefits that you have. There's literally about $5,000 a month worth of value built into this member platform, and it's only $37 a month. But again, with this promo in September, you're going to be able to access all of this for free. You don't pay anything just to come in. So it's a win-win situation. It's a no-brainer. You don't have to think about it. You can, if you go through it, you get your free 1/10 ounce of silver. You take the tour, you start trying to build your business with everything. And if it doesn't work out, you can cancel at any time. There is no, where you have to stay in it for a certain amount of time. We don't have that. It's just completely open. So if you can see yourself coming in and having any chance of even starting to build a business, why not take the chance? Why not do that? And on top of that, for those who can introduce 5 people to come in on board with the member platform for free with free silver sent to them, then we're going to go ahead and help you get started with your business. We're going to give you 10 of our real-time leads that goes through our lead system. It's a push-button system to help you build your business. If you introduce 10 people, even on this free member platform or any of the other paid subscriptions, then we're going to give you a free 1 ounce of pure silver. So it's about a $30 value. You're going to get that also included, and that's every time. So every time you refer 5, we're going to send you 10 free leads. So if you do hit 10, we're going to give you 20 free leads and 1 ounce of silver. So if you hit 20, if you introduce 20 people, then we're going to give you 40 free leads, and we're going to give you 2 ounces of silver. So as many as you can do. I fully suspect that we'll have some people bringing in 50 plus new memberships coming into this, and I'm so excited about the new memberships coming in because I know that most people just don't save anymore. That's the whole point with Mint Builders. Most people aren't saving, so we want to get that started for somebody where they can actually start accumulating true wealth and real tangible assets and building a side income. Because right now we're in a place where most people need that extra residual income coming in. And you can build this business up to making, hundreds extra a month, thousands extra a month. We have, some people here making thousands weekly. The sky's the limit. It's unlimited how big you can build the business. Again, you make 10% commercial personal commissions going into this, and we do team matching on tiers 2 through 5. So that means anyone you introduce into the company, when they also refer somebody and they make a commission, then you're going to make a 50% match on your entire team, all the way down 5 tiers. So it really, the growth of potential of your team and your residual income you can make is tremendous. So I really encourage you to take advantage of this promotion while it lasts. You're going to have, again, full access to everything Mint Builder has to offer for free. So it is a no-brainer. Make sure to get this sent out to everybody that you think would be interested in accumulating true wealth. Again, for free in their first month. You're going to get this 10th ounce of silver sent to you for free. Again, no obligation. You can cancel anytime. The only thing with this is if you are currently an active member, you cannot switch your membership onto this. This is for you to promote, to grow your business, but you can start a new business center with this. We do have some members who have multiple business centers, and to do that, you would make sure you go to Mint Builder and you got to make sure this says login. If it says profile, that means you need to go into and log out of your account, and then you can go ahead and push get started. And when you push get started, it's going to say the ID number in here, and you want to make sure that the ID number that's showing is your ID number, and then you can go ahead and get started. And basically that's the same as signing yourself up. So this will make sure this is your ID number if you are already active, and then push continue, and you can go ahead and check out with that product. And then what you're doing is you're stacking another business center underneath of your other one, and you can actually multiply your income by doing that. So if you do stack your business center underneath of your current business center, and then anyone you introduce to Mint Builder, put them under your new one on your second tier, and then you're going to get paid twice for each sale. We have some people who do mini business centers underneath of themselves. So again, that's just another way to multiply your income. So that is possible to do. But otherwise, if you've been inactive with Mint Builder, maybe you were active before, you can use this promotion right now to get started again for free, no obligation. If you're a prospect and someone is showing you this, then they think highly enough of you to say, hey, I want to get you some free silver. So take advantage of this this promotion that we have going on right now, just for September, and it's going to end, emphatically. It's not going to be extended. This is it right here. It's going to tick away really fast. So if you come in, the sooner you come in, the sooner you can build the business faster, because if you come in now, you're going to have more days to promote it, to promote getting this free silver and free position to people. So make sure to not wait until the end of the month. Make sure to get started right away. So that's it for now. If you have any questions, make sure to get back to the person who referred you. They can probably answer your questions for you. If they can't answer the question, you can always go email support@mintbuilder.com, and we'll be happy to answer those questions for you as well. And yeah, check out the price. You're going to see when you go to the shop, you're going to see what the average retail pricing is for a particular product, and then you're going to see the member price, and it's a phenomenal price. You can actually click on it, and you can go to, it'll take you to one of our competitors. It'll show you their website, so you can see to make sure that you understand our product pricing is the best anywhere. It's loading a little bit slow.